Dog named Kitty. Come on, Kitty. Kitty, come on. Come here, Kitty. Come here, babies. Was she wrapped around or something? Wrapped around her. Kitty, come here. Come here, Kitty. Come here, Kitty. Kitty, stupid dog.
No, wait.
Come on. She's wrapping herself up.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Calm down, kidders.
Mommy,
Kitty.
try to tag me. Try to tag me. Tag me. Tag me. Tag me. Tag me. Tag me.
Hold on. Don't let the dog get you. Tag, you're it.
Okay, I'm gonna tag you. You better run. Cause I'm gonna tag you. Tag. You're it.
Oh, you got me? Kidders. Psychopath. Psychopath dog. I can't. Kitty's gonna take me out.
Tag me. Tag me. Tag me.
Come here.
Oh, now you're running out, Taggy. Run!
Careful. Don't let Kitty get you. No, Kitty. Slow down.
Tag!
Ah! Stupid. No, don't drink that water. Don't drink that water. Kitty, no. Right here. Hold on. Kitty, stop. Stupid. No. Kitty, no. Jeremy. Kitty. Hold on, Saleen. Kitty, no. Come here, Kitty, Kitty, Kitty. Kitty, here. Yeah, stupid. That's yucky water. No. Dummy. No. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Stupid dog. Silly, stupid. Cute girl. Kitty girl. What you doing, cute girl? She's eating the grass.
Well, that gives her a tummy ache.
No, that doesn't. That actually helps her tummy.
That actually helps her tummy?
Yep.
Get down. Get down. And this helps.
That's why
her.
dogs eat grass. Watch out! I don't want you to get clotheslined by her leash.
Why?
Cause it will hurt and you'll get knocked down and then you'll be crying and sad.
Look, see? Knocking down is fun. Look, see, I just knocked down and I wasn't crying.
Yeah, but that won't feel good if you get knocked down by that. Trust me.
By the dog?
Yeah.
Why is she eating grass?
Cause she's hungry.
I mean, thirsty?
No, she's hungry for the grass.
Hey, get the grass. Try to get me. Try to get me.
No, don't let her chase you.
Get her.
She can't reach you there.
Get it.
Wagging tail, wagging tail.
Can you put me in the wagon?
No.
Thingy? Where's the red?
It would definitely fit over there.
Real wagon. Where's the wagon so you could pull me in the wagon? Remember the wagon?
You can't get us.
No.
You can't get us.
No, kidders. Kitty, no. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Hey, stop it. Stop it, stupid. Quit it. Shush. Hey. No. No. Shh. Hey. Say hi. Stop. Stop it, kidders. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Calm down. Calm down. Sit down. Sit down. Cute girl. It's okay, kidders. It's okay, kitty. Kitty P. Little kitterina. Pretty girl. No, no, kitty. That's yucky water. Kitty. Come on, kidders. No, stupid. Come here, kitty. With her wagging tail.
Why do you look so vicious? So vicious with her wagging tail, yes. You were saying that earlier.
Mommy,
What?
can you get the wagon
No.
so I could so I could roll you in the wagon?
Calm dog, calm dog. Get over here.
I've been trying to drill it in her head that we're not telling her not to do stuff because we're trying to be mean and make it to where she don't have fun, but because we know. Because
Yeah.
like the other day I told her quit playing on the furniture, and she went. I walked out of the room and she slid off the coffee table and fucking fell down and hurt herself. And I come out and I'm, oh, what happened? And she goes, I fell off the coffee table. I'm all, see, and that's why I told you don't play on the furniture. Not because I'm not trying to let you have fun, because I knew you were gonna fucking get hurt on there. You know what I mean? I'm trying to drill that shit into her head so she knows. We're not trying to be mean. We just know better.